February 16 and a-attend tayo ng Mass. It's Sunday. Happy Valentine's. It's late Valentine with Inay and Ella. Nay. It's a post-Valentine's date. Where in fact, actually, palagi naman kaming sumisimba, palagi naman itong ginagawa. It's our Sunday routine. Attend ng church at 11 a.m. and then diretso lunch. But this time, it's a post-Valentine's date with Ella. As usual, inabot na naman tayo ng traffic. Actually, hindi traffic. Ang dami kasing nagsisimba dito sa Basilica. So, labasan ngayon ng mga pang 10 to 11. So, kami naman yung papasok. Yun nga lang, sobrang traffic. Sobrang haba ng ano. So, yun. It's the Sunday routine, but today is special. Because it's Valentine 2025 Valentine. Tapos ng Mass na pang 10.
Kung ipinangalan namin si Kristo'y muling mabuhay, ano ang sinasabi ng
Amen. Sumayin niyo ang Panginoon.
A few moments later.
Hi vlog! We're here at Gilligan's. Ewa. Hi vlog! We're here at Gilligan's. Sobrang kahit sa restaurant dito sa SM Batangas, super daming tao. Dito na lang kami nakapag-reserve. It's 1:30 na. 1:30 na, but still, ang dami pa rin. Of course, it's post-Valentine's Day after Sunday Mass. That's why sobrang madaming tao. Lagi may alcohol. We're just waiting for our order. Nakain ka ba tayo? Hindi na naman uubusin. Ubusin niyo yan. Pero sabawan niyo ng kare-kare.
Ini po siya. Ani ako na
Nalaman sa
Ang barbecue. Okay ba, Eda? May hindi itong chicken bites. Amen.